It's a brand new 75 plate Mercedes A45 AMG, protected with a Halo Mini. So this is a push sequence immobiliser. If someone got the key, done a relay attack, tried to remote start the vehicle, they'd get it started, but they wouldn't be able to drive it away because as soon as they put it into gear, it switches off. Whether that's drive or reverse, whatever they choose, the vehicle's switching off, even though we've got the key here. So how we drive this, you have a unique push sequence. So you'll start the car before popping it into gear. You'll have your code, you'll pop that in, receive the flash from the side light, and it will allow you to select a gear, and the vehicle's going to remain running. To activate it, you just simply turn the car off. It activates itself straight away, confirmed with that double flash, and now your vehicle's going nowhere without the code. So we start it up, pop our code in, we get a flash instantly, we can drive away. This system, you can set your own code between 3 and 21 presses on any of the supported buttons in the vehicle. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is an A45 AMG, it's brand new, 75 plate. Customers only just picked it up, not even done 150 miles yet, and they've got it secure in case someone tries to steal this key, do a relay attack and take the vehicle. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.